In this video, I'll show you how to edit notification settings in your Google Ads account so you can control which alerts you receive and stay updated on important account activity. Managing notifications helps you keep track of campaign performance, billing updates, and policy alerts without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary messages. To begin, sign in to your Google Ads account and look at the left navigation menu. Click Admin and then select Notifications to open the notification settings page. If you manage multiple accounts, use the drop-down at the top to choose the specific account you want to adjust before making any changes. On this page, you'll see different notification categories such as campaign performance alerts, billing and payment updates, policy notifications, and system recommendations. Each category has simple toggle controls that allow you to turn notifications on or off depending on your preferences. It's generally recommended to keep critical alerts like billing and policy notifications enabled so you don't miss important updates. Once you adjust the settings, the changes are usually applied immediately. You can return to this section anytime if you want to update your notification preferences. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.